And so it begins. Apple experience is here and it started on Monday. Apple announced 2 new products. The iPad Air M4. I'm using M3 over here, which is the iPad I use a lot. I love it. And then M4 has the newer chip in it. But the great news is iPhone 17e is announced. And iPhone 17e has a better price, better chip, better AI support. Ceramic Shield 2 at the front glass that gives 3 times more better scratch resistance. And MagSafe. We did it! We finally got MagSafe. Yes, after all that complaints, it's on iPhone 17e. And iPhone 17e comes in 3 colors, white, black, and soft pink, which is what I want. This is the year of pink for me. I want the soft pink iPhone 17e. And the good news is the storage now starts from 256 gigabytes is $599. And 512 gigabytes is $799 instead of $899. So the price actually went down. We did it. Fantastic. Inside this machine now we have A19 that we know and love from iPhone 17 -1 core from the GPU, but it has neural accelerators, so it's gonna respond faster when it comes to AI processes. And it has the new C1X modem in it compared to C1 that we had in this device. And Apple says that thing works twice as fast. It seems like it has the same battery life as iPhone 16e. And at the front, we still have the notch. We still have the same 12 megapixel true depth camera system. And at the back, we have the 48 megapixel fusion camera system. I think they changed the name a little bit. I have to test the camera, see if there's a difference. But now we have a new feature called next generation portraits with focus and depth control. And I think that is something that trickled into the iPhones from Apple Vision Pro. I cannot wait to test that out. Same video capabilities, Dolby Vision 4K 60 frames per second video or 1080p 240 frames per second slow motion video. Optical stabilization, the port we have is the same, it's USB 2. But now we have MagSafe and it supports up to 15 watt charging, which is not as same as iPhone 17. iPhone 17 has 25 watt charging. This display is the same, 6.1 inch HDR display. Same resolution, same pixel density, same contrast ratio, same brightness. It's same as iPhone 16e. But I believe due to MagSafe, now this device, it is 2 grams heavier. The battery life seems to be the same. Same 5G, same gigabit LTE, same Wi-Fi 6, same Bluetooth 5.3. Now it's cheaper, it comes in pink, and it has MagSafe. So that's pretty much what I see from what I'm reading. But I'm really curious about what you think about the new iPhone 17e. Is this the one that you were waiting? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm flying to New York very soon. Drop down the questions that you may have. So when I go over there with the hands-on experience and stuff like that, I'll look into these things and let you know what is what. Well, thank you so much for watching. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.